I tried Jaxx Liberty app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first opened the Jaxx Liberty app, I wasn't expecting much. It's been around for years, and I figured it was outdated. But after 7 days of using it, the shocking truth is that Jaxx Liberty is still one of the most underrated multi-currency wallets in the crypto world. On day 1, I was struck by how easy it was to set up. No it checks, no waiting, just create a wallet, write down your backup phrase, and you're ready to go. That level of simplicity is rare today. By day 2, I had added Bitcoin, Ethereum, and a few ERC20 tokens. Jaxx supports over 80 cryptocurrencies and tokens. The interface makes it effortless to view balances, track prices, and swap between assets. By day 4, I tried the built-in exchange powered by Shapeshift. It lets you swap tokens without ever leaving the app. The transaction speed was impressive, though the fees were slightly higher than on dedicated exchanges, something worth noting. By day 6, I began testing its security. Jaxx is a non-custodial wallet, meaning you alone control your private keys. There is no central server, no registration, and no tracking. Most people get this wrong. They think old apps are unsafe, but Jaxx's local encryption is surprisingly strong. By day 7, I realized the shocking truth: Jaxx Liberty isn't flashy, but it does everything a crypto wallet should: store, manage, and exchange your assets securely. It's ideal for users who value simplicity and privacy over bells and whistles. If you want a lightweight, private wallet that just works, Jaxx Liberty might be the most quietly reliable option out there. Sometimes the oldest tools are still the best.